Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsh and today we are going to solve out exercise 7.2 from the NCERT from the chapter 7, which is integrals. Let's start with our very first question, which is we need to find out the integral of 2x upon 1 plus x square. This complete exercise deals with the integration by substitution. So I'm taking t equals to 1 plus square and the derivative of t will be 2x dx. 2x this is the value of dt equals to 2x dx. We can say that 2x dx which is present here equals to dt, and the value of 1 plus x square equals to t. So I'm going to substitute these terms in this equation number 1. If you want to state that, if you want to write that substituting the values which we have obtained, you can simply write it here and go ahead. I'm not writing here because the space is very less. So let's move to the next further step. We have that now this term is changed to dt upon t. We need to find out the integration of dt upon t. That the integration of dt upon t is log t plus c, and the value of t was 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer of the first question from the exercise 7.2. The second question is log x whole square upon x. We need to find out integration. Taking t equals to log x, we have dt equals to 1 upon x dx. 1 upon x dx is this, so I'm going to write this as dt and log x as t. Therefore t square dt, the value of t square, the integration of t square will be t cube upon 3 plus c, and again substituting the value which we have taken, t equals log x, we have log x cube upon 3 plus c. This is the answer of the second question. Pause the video to note it down, then we will move to our third question. The very third question from the exercise 7.2 is, this question is very important, so make a mark on it. 1 upon x plus x log x. We need to find out its integration. I am going to take x common from this term, from the denominator. 1 upon x, 1 plus log x. Now I am substituting t equals to 1 plus log x dt equals to 1 upon x dx. I am simply finding out the derivative form of this t. I can write 1 upon x dx as dt and 1 plus log x as t. We have dt upon t, and the integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c, which is log 1 plus log x plus c. This is the answer of the third question. The fourth question is quite simple. We need to find out the integration of sine x sine cos x. Cos x is the angle of this sine dx. Put t equals to cos x, we have dt equals to minus sin x dx, or we can take this minus to the left hand side. The value of sin x dx equals to minus dt. Sin x dx value is minus dt. So I am simply writing it here. Sin cos x, I have substituted cos x equals to t. So therefore t sin t here and minus dt for sin x dx. And integration of sin t is minus cos 2. When minus was right side, minus cancel each other. So therefore we have cos t plus c. Again putting the value of t, again we have cos x as the integration of sin x sin cos x dx plus c. This is the integration of the fourth question. Pause the bit note down, then we will move to the fifth question. Our fifth question is quite important, and this question is the easiest question, I must say. Sin ax plus b cos ax plus b. This question has two methods to solve it out. So I am going to take sin ax plus b as t equals to sin ax plus b dt equals to cos ax plus b upon a and dx. Because dt upon a came here because the derivative of ax plus b will be a, so this will be the differentiation of sin ax plus b. I have taken this a to the left hand side in the denominator because this was in the multiplication error. Transforming a to right hand side to left hand side, it came into the a in the denominator. So the value of sin ax plus b equals to dt upon a t cos ax plus b dx equals to dt upon a. Simple. Now integrating we have t square upon 2a. The value of t square, I am writing it here, sin ax plus b square upon 2a plus c. This is the answer of this fifth question. Moving ahead to the sixth question, we have integral of ax plus b. I am going to put t equals to x plus b dt equals to a dx. dt upon a equals to dx. dt then upon a. We have t raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3a plus c. Putting the value of t again here, we have 2 ax plus b raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3a plus the constant term. So this is the sixth question. I'm thinking to leave out a few questions for you guys. I'm going to leave 7th, 8th, and no, I'm not leaving any question because this exercise is very important. I'm going to solve each and every question. Pause the video now, then we'll move ahead to our 7th question. I'm going to make two parts from this exercise 7.2. Pause the video, note it down. Our 7th question is putting t equals to x plus 2, we have dt equals to dx. We need to find out the value of x here. because x equals to 2 minus t, because x plus 2 I have taken x plus 2 as t, and this x was left as it is because the derivative of x plus 2 was only dx. So for changing this x into the term t, I have taken t equals to x plus 2 and x equals to 2 minus t. Substituting the values, we have dt, and now multiplying this t raised to power 1 by 2 to the inner terms. This is the power of t minus t raised to power 3 by 2, and doing the integration now into 2 upon 3 minus t raised to power 5 by 2 by 5 plus c. You can simply put the value of t here. The value of t is x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 minus 2 t raised t was x plus 2 raised to power 5 by 2 upon 5 plus c. This is the 7th question. Pause the video, write it down, then we will move to our 8th question. Our 8th question is x root 1 plus 2x square. We need to find out the integration. Put t equals to 1 plus 2x square dt equals to 4x dx. 4 is none of our use, so taking the 4 to the denominator in the dt, we have x dx equals to dt upon 4. T raised to power 1 by 2 dt, we have integration of t raised to power 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 2 into 2 upon 3 into 4. The value of this is t raised to power 3 by 2 upon 6 plus c. You can put the value of t by yourself. I am solving the 9th question because if I will be solving, if I have been putting the values, it will take a lot of time. So our 9th question is 4x plus 2 x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. We need to find out its integration. Taking out 2 common, we have 2x plus 1 here, and taking this 2 out of the bracket, out of the integration, sorry, and put t equals to x square plus x plus 1 dt equals to 2x plus 1 dx. So we got this 2x plus 1 from the 4x plus 2 by taking out 2 common from the 4x plus 2. I am writing x square plus x plus 1 as it is for a while. We will substitute the value in the next step. We have 2 as it is, and 2x plus 1 and dx as the dt, and x square plus x plus 1 equals to t dt. 2 t raised to power 3 by 2 into 2 upon 3. 4. The value of t was x square plus x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 and 3. This is the value of 9th question. Pause the video, note it down, then we'll move to our 10th question. Our 10th question is 1 upon x minus root x. I am taking out root x common for making the question easier. Here we have 1 upon root x common. We are left root x minus 1. I am putting the t equals to root x minus 1 dt equals to 1 upon 2 root x dx. Taking this 2 to the left hand side in the multiplication, we have 1 upon root x into dx equals to 2 dt. Forgot to write dx here. Now the value of 1 upon root x is 2 dt. Taking 2 outside from the integration, because this is constant, we have dt upon t, 2 log t plus c. This is the answer of the 10th question. If you have doubt in any formula, any question, just write it down in the comment section. I'll explain that step again. The 11th question is x upon root x plus 4. This 11th question is very similar to the 7th question. Still I'm doing it for you guys. Put t equals to x plus 4 dt equals to dx. Now we need to find out the value of x. 4 minus t. 4 minus t upon t dt. Here we have 4 log t, 4 log t minus t plus c. 4, the value of t was x plus 4 minus x plus 4 plus c. Let me check it down. Yeah, the value of let me explain it to you guys. I know that I have solved this question in a single step. First of all, what I have done here is I have taken x plus 4 equals to t. Finding out the derivative, we have dt equals to dx, and x, for putting the value of x here, we have taken x equals to 4 minus t. 4 minus t dt upon t, because dt equals to dx, and then simply write dx equals to dt, and t was equals to x plus 4. I made a mistake here. The value of, I forgot to write down the power of t. The value of t here is 1 upon 2. Power of t is 1 upon 2. I need to erase down. Pause the video. I am separating the denominator. We have 4 t raised to power 1 by 2 minus t raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have 4 t raised to power 1 by 2 into 2 minus t raised to power 3 by 2. See, this is the value of 11th question. You can simply put up the value of t here. I am putting up the values of t here. We have 8. The value of t was x plus 4 raised to power 1 by 2, or minus 2 x plus 4 power 3 by 2 upon 3 plus 3. This is the value of 11th question. Pause the video to note it down. I am going to solve out this complete exercise in 2 or 3 videos. I think this 20 minutes video is enough for the first part. I am going to solve the further question in the next part. So if you have any doubt in any question, just write me down in comment section. I'll explain it to you guys again. Thank you for watching this video, and if you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.